everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So you know what, whenever my sweet tooth kicks in, I love making these brown butter chocolate chip cookies. They're so good, and if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a second channel here on YouTube, you guys. It's called April Time. So I would really love if you can go over there and support it. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm at the stove, and the first thing I'm going to do is, over medium heat, I'm going to brown up 1 stick of unsalted butter. And you definitely don't want to walk away. You want to stay nearby, and you want to constantly stir your butter for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it turns golden brown. And once your butter turns brown, you just want to take it off the heat and let it cool down for 15 minutes. So this is a semi-sweet chocolate bar that I'm going to use, and so I'm just going to take it out the wrapper and I'm going to break it up into different parts, and then I'm going to take my knife and rough chop it, and this is going to be the chocolate chips I'm going to use for the cookie. Okay, so I'm going to set the chocolate chips to the side, and now I'm going to start making the cookie dough. So in a medium-sized bowl, I'm going to sift out a cup of flour. And now I'm going to add just a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of espresso powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt. And now I'm just going to take a fork and mix all these dry ingredients together. And that's it for the dry ingredients, and you just want to set it to the side, and let's get started on all the wet ingredients. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to add the brown butter that already cooled down, and now I'm going to add a half a cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of regular sugar. And quickly, I'm just going to take a whisk and just combine both the butters and the sugars together. And now I'm going to add 1 room temperature egg. And now I'm going to add and mix 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And that's it for the wet ingredients. So at this point, you just want to combine both wet and dry ingredients together. And just grab a rubber spatula, mix everything together until you mix the perfect cookie dough. And now you want to add and fold in the chocolate chips. And now you just want your cookie dough to rest, and I'm going to cover it up with a plastic wrap and let it chill in the refrigerator between 1 and 3 hours. Hey guys, welcome to April Time, my new channel here on YouTube, and this is just my cozy corner of all things lifestyle. So join me as I share my love of simple everyday joys, from whipping up delicious home-cooked meals to my favorite skincare rituals that keeps me glowing. And the reason for this channel is just to share some productive days in my life and some really quick, simple recipes. So hit subscribe and let's spend time together. So after 3 hours, my cookie dough is ready to go. So I'm just going to take a spoon, break it up a little bit, and then you want to take about a tablespoon of cookie dough and place them on an already prepared cookie sheet. And make sure to space them about 2 inches apart because they will spread. And this recipe is going to make between 7 and 9 cookies. So I've already preheated the oven at 350 degrees, and I'm going to let these bake between 8 and 11 minutes. So after 11 minutes, my cookies are ready, and this is completely optional. I'm going to sprinkle some coarse sea salt on top, And one of the things I really love about these cookies, I love how flat they are. I only use some baking soda and not baking powder because I want them to be really flat. But look how good they are, you guys. So good, you have to make them. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It will help out the algorithm to push this video out. Share it with everybody that you know. Don't forget to follow me on my second channel, April Time, here on YouTube. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But wait, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.